Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about boilers. First we will start what is boiler. A steam generator, popularly known as boiler, is a closed vessel made of high quality steel in which steam is generated. So in short you can say boiler is a container in which we prepare the steam from water by the application of heat. The next part is the classification of boiler. So majorly according to syllabus we study two type of boiler. First is water tube boiler, and second is fire tube boiler. If we compare the fire tube boiler with the water tube boiler, there are various differences in both type of boilers. If we talk about the raising of steam, so in case of fire tube boiler it is less rapid, but in case of water tube boiler it is more rapid. It means the preparation of steam will fast in case of water tube boiler. Steam will be fastly produce in case of water tube boiler. And there are so many other differences you can see here. Suitability of large power plant, suitable because of higher rate of steam raised. It means water tube boiler is most suitable for the large power plant. Operating pressure is more in case of water tube boiler. Floor area required, more floor area required in case of water tube boiler. Reliability and cost, if we talk about reliability and cost, then in case of water tube boiler we require careful attention and maintenance cost is higher in case of water tube boiler. So you can further study, can look on these points in detail. If we go in detail the fire tube boiler, first we understand what is fire tube boiler. So there is a very simple thing. In case of fire tube boiler, the fire is inside the tube and the water is outside the tube. It means whatever you are burning, whatever fuel you are having like coal or wood or anything, the hot gases will go inside the tube and the water will be outside the tube. So there are 2 or 3 types of boiler which comes in this category. First is Lancashire boiler. In Lancashire boiler, the fumes or hot gases will move into the tubes. So this Lancashire comes in the fire tube boiler category. You can see the diagram. In Lancashire boiler, you can see these 2 tubes, 2 broad diameter of tubes. Inside these tubes the hot gas will move, and you can see in the diagram outside these tubes water is there. And these 3 diagrams are basically, this is the front view, this is the side view, and this is the top view. In exam you can draw any 2 diagram, no need to draw all 3 diagrams. And second one is locomotive boiler. Mostly these type of boilers are used in railway. So locomotive boiler is also fire tube type of boiler. You can see the diagram. And Cochrane boiler, this is vertical type of boiler. This is also fire tube of boiler. Designs are different but the concept is same. And Babcock Wilcox boiler comes in the water tube boiler. In our syllabus this is the only one boiler which comes in water tube boiler. You can see here, these are the tubes, this is the tank, and water will come inside the tube. So water is inside the tube and the fumes and the hot gases is outside the tubes. That's why we are calling it as water tube boiler. So thank you for today. Today we talked about what is boiler and types of boiler. I show you 4 types of boiler. 3 boilers comes in what fire tube type of boiler, and 1 boiler comes in water tube boiler. So you have to do practice of all the diagram of the all the diagram of boilers, because you in examination, if any boiler comes for the explanation, so you will need to draw the diagram. Otherwise parts are almost same, there is no difference in parts, but the design is different. So you have to do practice a lot for the diagram. So thanks for today. In next class we will go in detail about the accessories and other things. Thank you.